Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment AutoSales. Basically this is the fourth chapter of Excel section of this course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step so that you can get done your assignment by watch this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email, and I can help you for your complete courses. So now we will start this assignment. First you will download this assignment from Pearson IT Lab dashboard, and then you will open in your computer. Because I already download this assignment from Pearson IT Lab dashboard and I open in my computer. So this is the instruction file, and having all the question in this file. Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment AutoSales, that is the assignment title, and that is the project description of this assignment, and you can get idea about your assignment. I already read it and you can read in your assignment. Basically this is the fourth chapter of this course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step for you. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email, and I can help you for your complete course. Include all the Word, Access, Excel and PowerPoint assignment. You can ask me help for other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer science courses, all other writing assignments, mathematics, business, etc. So now we will start this assignment. Steps to perform. First we will check how my total step in this assignment, and there are total 21 steps in this assignment. So we will start from first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open the file named Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment AutoSales. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So I already download this assignment from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. So now I will go to my browser and then I will open this Excel workbook Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment AutoSales. So our Excel workbook is open, and we will apply all the instruction and all the question in this Excel workbook. We will make the Excel workbook for final submission. So go to instruction file. So our step number 1 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 2. Our step number 2 is freeze the first row on the flat information worksheet. We are supposed that freeze the first row on the flat information worksheet. Go to Excel workbook and then go to flat information worksheet, and then go to view tab and then go to window group and then go to freeze pane and then freeze top row. So our step number 2 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 3. Our step number 3 is convert the data to a table, name the table inventory and apply the gold table style medium 19. We are supposed that convert the data to a table. Go to Excel workbook. Our cell A1 is already selected, and then go to insert tab and then go to tables group and then click on the table and then click OK. Name the table inventory. Name the table inventory, copy the word inventory and then go to Excel workbook and then go to table design tab and then go to properties group and then change the table name to inventory and then apply the gold table style medium 19. and then apply the table style. Go to table design tab and then go to table style and then apply the gold table style medium 19, this one. Apply this style. So our step number 3 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 4. Our step number 4 is remove duplicate records. We are supposed that remove duplicate records from the table. So go to Excel workbook. So our table is already selected, and then go to tools group and then click on the remove duplicates and then click OK. 3 duplicate values found and removed. 100 unique values remain. Note that counts may include empty cells, space, etc. Click OK. So our duplicate values is removed from the table. So our step number 4 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 5. Sort the table by make in alphabetical order and added a second level to sort by year smallest to largest and a third level to sort by sticker price smallest to largest. We are supposed that sort the table by make in alphabetical order. Go to Excel workbook. So our table is already selected. Go to Home tab and then go to Editing group and then go to Sort and Filter and then go to custom sort by make in alphabetical order A to Z, and then added a second level to sort by years smallest to largest and added the second level year smallest to largest and then added the third level to sort by sticker price smallest to largest. Added the third level sticker price smallest to largest order and then click OK. So our step number 5 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 6. Our step number 6 is repeat the field names on all pages. We are supposed that repeat the field names on all pages. Go to Excel workbook and then go to page layout group and then go to page setup group and then click on the print title. Click on the rows to repeat at top. Select first row and then click OK. So our step number 6 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 7. Our step number 7 is change page breaks so each wheels make is printed on a separate page. We are supposed that change page breaks so each wheels make is printed on a separate page. So go to Excel workbook and then go to View tab and then go to Workbook Views group and then click on the page break preview. So change page breaks so each wheel make is printed on a separate page. On a separate page, BMW after this Chevy, this one savvy, and then fold, and then fold, and then change the Honda, this one. Go to insert tab, page layout tab, and then go to page setup group, and then go to breaks and insert a page break. Okay, you can see here, and then go to normal. Our page breaks is done. So our step number 7 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 8. Edit a footer with your name on the left side, the sheet name code in the center, and the file name code on the right side. We are supposed that edit a footer with your name on the left side, the sheet name code in the center, and the file name code on the right side. So go to Excel workbook, and then go to page layout group, and then go to page layout group, and then go to page setup, and then go to header footer, custom footer. Type your name on the left section, Albana, and then the sheet name code in the center, sheet name code in the center section. Insert the sheet name code in the center section, and then insert a file name code on the right section. Insert a file name code on the right section. Click the right section and then insert file name code, this one, and then click OK and click OK again. So our step number 8 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 9. Our step number 9 is click or navigate to the sales information worksheet and convert the data to a table. Name the table sales and apply the green table style dark 11. We are supposed that click or navigate to the sales information worksheet. Go to Excel workbook, and then go to sales information worksheet. Sales information worksheet. Convert the data to a table, and then convert the data to a table. Go to insert tab, and then go to tables group, and then click on the table, and then click OK, and then name the table to sales. Name the table to sales. Go to properties group, and then change the table name to sales. Okay, and then apply the green table style dark 11, and then apply the green table style dark 11. Go to table styles group, and then apply the green table style dark 11. Green table style dark 11, this one. So our step number 9 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 10. Our step number 10 is type percent of stickers in cell E1. We are supposed that type percent of sticker in cell E1, copy the percent of sticker, and then go to Excel workbook, and then select cell E1, and type percent of sticker, this one. So our step number 10 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 11. Our step number 11 is create a formula with structured references to calculate the percentage of the sticker price in cell in cell in column E. We are supposed that create a formula with structured references to calculate the percentage of the sticker price in column E. Go to Excel workbook, select cell E1 and then type equal sales price divided by sticker price. Press enter. So our percentage of sticker price is find. So our step number 11 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 12. Our step number 12 is format the range E2 to E30 with percentage style number format. We are supposed that format the range E2 to E30 with percent style number format. Select the range E2 to E30, E2 to E30, select this range and then go to number group and then apply the percent style. This one. Apply the percent style. So our step number 12 is done and there are total 21 steps in this assignment and I solve a 12 step in this video. If you want to do this assignment for you or if you want to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email and I can help you in your complete courses. So please contact me and you can get done your assignment with A grade. You can contact me anytime. I am available 24 hours for you. My services is available 24 hours for you and you can contact me and you can get done your assignment within your due, within your time and you can get good grade in your assignment. So please contact me and get a good grade. And please subscribe my channel, like my video, comment on my video and share my video and thank you for watching my video.